So now the question is, what is the price going to do at the top of the range? Are we going to break out from that area, or are we going to get some sort of pullback? In today's video, I'm gonna focus on the levels that we need to defend to sustain the move to the upside. Starting from the 4-hour, increasing in timeframes, looking at liquidity pools, order book dissection, potential next targets if we manage to break the top of the range, and the full analysis. We'll cover again a little bit of Ethereum and general markets to check the healthiness of the Nasdaq against those critical levels that we've been talking about in the past few days. Guys, if you like this type of content, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I put out one of these videos. Can we get 1,000 likes in this video? That will be phenomenal to strangle the YouTube algorithm to show this content to more people. Impressive. We are just 5% away from putting an all-time high, and retail is at the lowest level of interest. I've been reading on Twitter some people posting about the hedge funds being short massively in the market, and that actually retail is the one that is betting both on general markets and on crypto for higher prices, and that the hedge funds are really not liking that. So it's kind of a arm wrestling between retail and hedge funds. But at the same time, when I check on Google Trends and I see so little interest in Bitcoin, I wonder, is this because retail is not searching on Google anymore for Bitcoin, but they're still interested? Where is the divergence really? Something doesn't fit. Interesting to look at the news and not seeing anything pointing out today at Bitcoin being so close to an all-time high. At the same time, you can see that the hottest story is about Coinbase users losing 45 million, Trump tricked into XRP, new rules easing security token issuance. I mean, I don't see much taking advantage to tempt retail to get in at this point in time. Usually, what happens at this point when we are about to get a breakout is that all stories are extremely bullish. That is the norm. That is how they get retail to get interested so they can distribute into them. And I got a post here that comes at hand from Econometrics. Bitcoin is approaching a breakout, but it's doing so with volatility declining. That's not the kind of FOMO fuel move we saw in past cycles. This time it's more controlled, more sustainable, it says here. If you look at the chart, you can see that we are in this week in blue, volatility on the decline for 6 weeks. Pretty much that color is within the lowest level of volatility, and the price is moving up. Usually that comes with huge volatility